Insomnia can feel like a mystery. You try supplements, breathing exercises, applications, and still the nights drag on and feel restless. Most of the time though, your body isn't confused. It is just asking for something it hasn't been getting. Sleep isn't something you force with willpower. It happens naturally when the conditions are right. And those conditions are actually pretty simple. Enough calories, balanced nutrition, sunlight during the day, a calmer nervous system, some movement, a little stretching, and a pattern your body can trust. When one of those is missing, that's when sleep becomes a fight. Poor nutrition is a big one. Skipping fruits or vegetables or eating too little during the day drains minerals, throws hormones off, and messes with the rhythm of rest. A hungry body doesn't feel safe sleeping. A tight body that never stretches stays alert even in bed. A mind that never slows down during the day won't magically quiet itself at night. And it's not about just what happens today. What you eat and how you treat your body over the last few days matters. Poor sleep often builds up. 1, 2, even 3 days of under-eating, stress or tension can make it hard to fall asleep. Sleep quality is cumulative. The body remembers. Trouble falling asleep is usually the body saying, something is off, fix the basics. Once those basics are in place, sleep becomes easy again. Sunlight resets your internal clock. Solid meals keep blood sugar steady. Movement releases tension. Stretching opens the chest and settles the breath. Even a simple evening routine tells the nervous system, okay, time to slow down. Good sleep doesn't start at night, it starts earlier. How you eat, move, and handle stress during the day shapes how your night ends. So if nights feel long and mornings feel heavy, the question isn't what quick trick will put me to sleep. The question is what does my body actually need so it can rest. So to sum it up, sleep isn't usually fixed at night. It is built during the day through food, movement, sunlight, and calmer nervous system. When those basics are in place, the body doesn't fight sleep, it allows it. What is the method you rely on to fall asleep faster and actually sleep better?